I did not make videos for 4 months straight. I came back and made the next video 500k. So it's not just about consistency. It's not just about posting videos every day. It's posting videos that actually work. The first channel for me to hit 100k has taken almost 2 years. The second channel took 20 days. Growing on social media is not so difficult. There are phases: idea, CTR, retention. I've started my channel in the third year. Then I've grown it to like 500k subscribers with just like a phone, normal phone that you're holding. Then grew one more channel, then like a couple of more channels. Then started working with one of the top brands of India. Helped them grow their channel. So I'll help you guys figure out if you're actually stuck somewhere, what is the best path that you have to take. And some of you, I'm very sure you must have even been facing problems about how do you manage your curriculum, all of that stuff, along with content creation, because it's very hectic, right? One day you're shooting a video randomly, and then next day you have a test coming up. You'll prepare for the test, and then you'll be figuring out like when do you actually post this video. And by the time that finalize the date, the best time to post that video is already gone. Like, it makes no sense. Should you post that video or should you just skip it, right? Growing on social media is not so difficult. What you'll realize is there are phases. The first 10k phase looks completely different from going from 10k to 100k. Like, a person who has grown a channel to 100k can grow similar pages or different niche ka pages also to 100k by using similar principles, by tweaking a couple of factors. First channel for me to hit 100k has taken almost 2 years. The second channel took 20 days. Once you start making content for like 2 years, 3 years, at this point of time, I can already predict how many views my next video will do. Like 8 out of 10 times that will be true, right? So you have to be at that position where you're like, if I make this video, I'm going to get these many number of views, right? But for that to happen, you need a lot of data. So it's like always tracking the data. Like, this is the genre, this is the kind of video. I'll do it 5 times, 6 times, see how many average views am I going to get over there, right? And then you repeat in like multiple genres. Suddenly, if your motivation genre doesn't work out, maybe your people want to see your day in a life. That might pick up. Or maybe people don't want to see that also, but people might want to see more of editing content. I did not make videos for 4 months straight. I came back and made the next video 500k. So it's not just about consistency. It's not just about posting videos every day. It's posting videos that actually work. There's a difference between posting videos every day and posting videos that actually work. So the only difference between these two categories would be you putting in enough effort even before you script the video. Even before you actually think about the video. Like, okay, let's say these are the 3 videos that I want to make. How did they previously do on other channels? That's the first category. And then you go one level deeper, which is like, how's the engagement on those videos? If one of the videos is not doing well, why did that video did not do well? Why is the engagement on that less? Okay, this creator A, B, C, 3 of them made the same video, but one of them had highest engagement, one of them had highest views, the third one is like really bad. Why? So what you have to do is like, you try to read 3 videos and then you come across the solution which works better than all the 3 videos. Creator B, views are like amazing, but retention is like bad. Engagement is bad. You question it. Why? Can I adapt something from creator A and put it in creator B so that my video will be the best? I think even before you make any piece of content, you have to put in at least 2-3 hours of research, at least. There's a difference between spending 2-3 hours or 5-6 hours or even probably 2-3 days and not ending up with any concrete solution. The difference is you have to put those 2-3 hours and come to a solution about, if I package this specific video in this way, it will definitely work. You will get to 10,000, 20,000 subscribers faster with lesser number of videos. I have a friend who has made 2,000 videos, is still at 1 million views, like subscribers. I made 200 videos. I have one more channel where there are 40 videos which is at 500k. That's exactly what I'm saying. And I generate more revenue, customers, leads when compared to these channels. The reason being same, it's not about posting more, it's about posting more content which has the capability to work. I don't want to do it like a one-to-many session. I in fact want to talk to you guys one-on-one.
I am Shanmuka Course Ready and this is my channel Style Course Ready. I mean, I was making videos before also, but just time pass and fun like these So when I came to NIAT, they were like, make a vlog. If you win, we'll give you an award.
Okay.
So that's what I made this NIAT vlog 1, and it kind of got a lot
Good
of views than I
engagement.
expected. So I was like, okay, I think it's working, and I enjoyed making the vlog. So I started vlogging. So then I wanted to make a short film. So I tried to make a short film that didn't work out. So I just came back to vlogging again. So then I tried motivation. That also did not work out. And again, cinematic vlog did not work out.
Got it. Yeah.
And here I tried some kind of different random videos, and they kind of worked out. But then again, all different videos, experimenting, nothing really worked out.
I'll tell you like what exactly every single channel that you have, it has like a couple of content buckets. Let's say some XYZ channel, it's currently posting around 10 videos a month, right? So if any content strategist is looking at that channel, he would actually divide those 10 videos into a couple of buckets. There are some kind of videos in any genre which always work. For example, if you open fitness, right? Fitness mein there will be 15, 20, 30 ideas, right? The core ideas where you're trying to solve a problem. For example, how to get six pack in 60 days. Very stupid title. Most of the people would never get six pack in 60 days, but those kind of ideas which promise 0 to 1 and are in education category, they usually work. Now, how do you figure that out? There are a couple of tools like vidIQ. How many of you use vidIQ? Yes. There's also a tool called TubeBuddy. How many of you use that? Like basically tell you is they give you keyword scores, but apart from keyword scores, they'll also help you identify what are evergreen content and what are not. So when you search for any genre, let's say we search for fitness, right? My first step would be going through 10 or 20 channels which are currently in that genre and which are really doing well. And then I'll go to what are the most popular videos. And I'll see if there's a pattern. I'll make a spreadsheet and I'll see if there's a pattern between the kind of videos that they're already making. That probably I can also adapt. If not directly copy pasting them, but can I actually steal a style? Just make sure that your title, thumbnail, the packaging is good. The first 30 seconds is good. And people have something to wait till the end. So you'll solve for the idea problem, which is how many people are interested in something like this. Then comes the CTR problem, which you'll fix by the title and thumbnail. Then comes the retention problem, which you'll fix by either a good story, good script, or the retention, or the editing, right? Solve these problems in the same order. Idea, CTR, retention. And then comes the last one, which is engagement metrics.
I don't have like any idea. I have to do content creation in my first year. I thought that first I will do whatever is happening in our college. I have some content, sir, but in the execution, it is like final, I am not uploading.
Why?
Like script making, I have to do in English or Telugu, I am in confusion. Like till now I made Telugu and some videos which is related to NIAT made recently in English. So now I am in confusion in which language I have to make.
Very tricky place to be in, but I'll tell you what the actual problem is. Telugu you can definitely make and probably you'll be more fluent, right?
Yeah.
And you can also state your facts very fast, like very easily. And it will also help you develop that brother wala side. Like, guide, I have to listen to him, he's more experienced. But the moment that you switch to English, some people might also start judging you because you're also trying to work on it currently. So immediately that credibility factor might be lost, right? But in a very long term, let's say 2 years, 3 years, 4 years down the line, if your English also gets improved, right? That will be a great, so it clearly depends, like are you building it for now or are you building it for like the future? And if you really want to face this problem, just do it in Telugu for now.
Okay.
But with time, maybe every 4 video mein once, every 5 video mein once, you start speaking in English like just like that you're doing.
It's been around 5 months since I started my YouTube channel.
Okay.
So I thought of starting before joining NIT, but I had no support and then I was scared to just start. And then after coming to NIT, I just started no matter what. So the first video was like day in my life, like normal everyone. And this one night left was inspiration from your video. And then I tried like a couple of things like day in my life, motivation, and most of them NIT review video worked. Like this got 15k views, and then this recent one got like 11k views. And then I
Got
like
it.
to do productive videos and then tech related videos.
I think first you need to identify a direction that you have to go in. But for you to identify the direction, you need to try out different formats of content as well. Like now that I see that it's mostly vlogs, but also like, I honestly think you need to make more content.
Yeah.
This is like the minimum basic groundwork that you have to do even before you start creating content. Every single person here, you need to have a list of at least 50 to 60 videos that you can create when you're not, getting that next good idea, right? So this 50 to 60 video bank is something that will give you the direction throughout, right? But you only have to open them when you're lost. And if they're like what I have done back when I was in college, was there was no Indian student channel who was doing this. So identify the market gap. There are a lot of US based, UK based channels who are vlogging their college life. No Indian. Why? India also had a market, right? So that is when I thought like, I think we have to vlog this college life more. I did 20 vlogs. By the time I looked back, I went from 16K to 120K. So this is also a great niche for someone to get started.
I have made vlogs and NIT review videos. So NIT review videos have gone high reach, but vlogs very less.
Okay.
And the only audience who are there in our college who are known to me, only they are seeing them. So I have come across the another channel who has not put anything, like just he has put Switzerland. That's it. In description there is nothing, but he has got 17K, 18K views. So what's it?
Switzerland. See, the same thing that I'm trying to tell you is like there are a lot of topics on YouTube which are not tapped in, right? Like the Switzerland guy, this.
Almost getting arrested in France. But let's go back to the video.
Good intro, good hook. Yeah. I think the video starts like the 30-second itself. He has grabbed you with great visuals first thing, and then there's also something for people to wait for till the end. Like the curiosity is already generated, so good chances of the video to work. I think if you have to be a travel creator, then the way that you tell the story, but not just that, your visuals and how you do the SFX is also very, very important. Like the video, it did not start with a strong hook. It did not start with like anything. It just started with like a very calm SFX, now leading to a great visual. Now play your video. Yeah. You've actually become Casey Neistat. See, I'll tell you one thing. Take the same video, cut it up for like 20 seconds, have something written a day at NIAT Mangalore. Just cut these clips, like of that Upendra, this guy kissing. Put just these clips. I think you'll do like 100K or something. Because people want to see, like you guys will not believe me, but people really want to see friends hanging out together. And also in the intro, right, you need to have something which hooks people. Have you seen the first 30 seconds, the first 15 seconds? It's like a compilation of good things which happened with a good voiceover. So all small channels also have the capability to do really good just like this. It's just that, do you actually have the skill to make the intro look good? That is all which is needed, especially when you're traveling. If you have like a story that you can tell, great. But if you don't have a story to tell, just compile the good things which happened.
I was just searching on YouTube like how to start content creation. Then one video popped up of yours, like you said how to start a content creation in 2025 journey. So I saw the whole video. At that time, like I have seen many other YouTuber videos also. They were saying, hey guys, and you are like not like that. You started in the middle itself, like you're saying how. Like it's the main hook. In my YouTube channel also, I want to make many videos, but I'm not getting the right hook. So how to get that right hook? Like any suggestions?
The right hook will depend on the video, but stick to the basics. Don't waste your audience ka time. Try to give the maximum amount of value in the least amount of time. And also make sure the hook is strong. When I say strong, it has to be something relatable, something controversial. That is it. These three are like the basic stuff. See, this is the golden rule. First, start with the idea. How many people are actually interested? How many people do care about it? Why do you think some of you have made laptop videos, correct? And they got 24,000 views, 8,000 views, 6.9K views. Why do you think they perform better than your NIAT videos or some other videos that you made? Yes. So every year You know how many people buy new laptops as just students? Just the JE audience, around 6 to 7 lakh people buy new laptops. Now think about older people. Think about who will be joining new jobs. So every year there are almost 30-40 lakh people buying laptops. This is a good season also for you to come up with a new laptop video. So the first thing is there audience for that specific topic? Yes. Then comes, how would you package it in the most interesting way? And then comes, how do you start the video? The first 5 seconds, 30 seconds. And then comes the retention, right? How do you structure the video? And then comes, how do you make sure the engagement is huge, right? If you follow the same order, starting from idea, if your idea is good, your packaging will also be good. If the idea is bad, then the packaging will also become more difficult. So do it in the same order. Good idea, packaging, the intro, retention, engagement.